Today we're going to be looking at averages, okay? So we have 4 averages which we need to learn how to figure out. We've got the mean, the median, the mode and the range. I've also attached a video called The Averages Song. If you learn it, it will be much easier to remember, okay? So let's go through the mean. So the mean is whenever you add all the numbers up and you divide them by how many numbers there are. So we're going to go 3 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2, okay? 3 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 is 20. And 20 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers is 4. So the mean is 4. Now the median is the one in the middle, but in order to do that, you must put them in order first, okay? So from smallest to biggest. So we're going to say 2 is the smallest, followed by a 3 and a 3, followed by a 5, then followed by a 7. Now clearly the 3 is the one in the middle, so 3 is the median. The mode is the number that appears most often. So as you can see, there's only one 7, there's only one 5, there's only one 2, there's 2 3s. So because of that, the mode must be 3, okay? And the range is the biggest number, take away the smallest. So the biggest is 7, the smallest is 2, so we'll take away 2, and that gives us 5. So the range is 5. Moving on, here's another example. So the mean again is we add all the numbers up and divide by how many there are. So we're going to go for 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 9 plus 8 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 9 plus 8 plus 4. That gives me 37. And I'm just going to divide that by 6 because there's 6 numbers, which gives me 6.17. So the median is when we put them in order, and it's going to be the one in the middle. So the smallest numbers, there's 2 4s, there's then 2 6s, there's then an 8, and there's then a 9, okay? Now, for this question, there is 2 numbers in the middle. There's the 2 6s. Now, because they're both 6s, we can just say that the median is 6. However, if the numbers were, for example, so I'm just going to do another example here, different colour. So if the numbers would say 5 and 10, if they were in the middle. So what you do is you just add the 2 numbers up together. So you do 10 plus 5 is 15, and the median would be 15 divided by 2, which is 7.5. So it's just really the number in the middle, okay? So I'll rub that out. So the mode is the number that appears the most. In this case, we've got 2 modes because there's 2 4s, there's also 2 6s, okay? In some questions, you might find there's no mode at all. In other words, no number appears more than once. And lastly, the range, which is the biggest number, take away the smallest. So the biggest is 9, the smallest is 4, so 9 take away 4 is 5. Lastly, we've got a question. This type of question can come up in exams, alright? So we're told 3 numbers out of 5, we're told the mode is 8, and we're told the mean is 6. We're also asked, what is the median? Okay, so if the mode is 8, that means that there's at least 2 8s. So I'm going to go ahead and put in an 8. Alright. Now the mean is 6. That means that whenever you add all the numbers up and you divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because there's 5 boxes there, the answer must be 6. So let's go ahead and add up the numbers we've got anyway. So let's go 3 plus 8 plus 5 plus 8. Okay, so 3 plus 8 plus 5 plus 8 gives me 24. Okay, but whenever I add the next number on and I divide that answer by 5, the answer is 6. So what number divided by 5 gives me 6? Well, that's 30, because 30 divided by 5 is 6. So the total of all those numbers, is 30. Okay? Now, what number do I have to add on to 24 to get to 30? Well, it must be 6. Okay? So whenever I add up 3 plus 8 plus 5 plus 8 plus 6, it gives me 30, and then divide by 5, which gives me my mean of 6, so that's fine. Now the question asks me what's the median. Now in order to find the median, I must put the numbers in order from smallest to biggest. So the smallest is 3, then 5, then 6, and then my 2 8s. The median is the number in the middle, so the median is 6. Okay guys, that's us on average for today. Good luck.